Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can learn technical analysis for free using the Trading212 app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trading212 app, then go to the menu, and in the menu, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see the videos section. Now if you tap on it, here you will find a lot of courses, free courses that you can use to learn about investing and especially technical analysis. There are different categories of courses. As you can see, there are investing 101, which are pretty much the basics: value versus growth, what is a stock, how to start investing, how to buy your first share, and how to invest from just one fund. But these are all the basics. But if you want to learn technical analysis, which is a higher level of understanding and analysis of stock markets, you just have to come to the technical analysis for beginners section. And as you can see, there are 49 videos on this topic. And in my opinion, if you go through all these 49 videos, you can pretty much learn the basics and you can start doing technical analysis for your investments. I'm not suggesting that from these 49 videos you can become an expert, but in my opinion, you cannot become an expert on anything without actually doing it. Expertise and proficiency only comes from experience, but these 49 videos can give you the knowledge and the courage to start, and you can become a pro in a short time. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.